Hi guys. So yeah, I am just not sure if this video is gonna come individually or I'm gonna put it in some vlog because ये बहुत time से pending and I just want to get this done. So I just wanted to share it with you guys what all I've got. So Altamas recently went to Singapore, so he got few stuff for me, and my mom recently went out as well. And my mom and my sister, तो उन लोग ने भी बहुत सारी shopping की. So I just thought I'll share it with you guys. बहुत ज़्यादा सामान है. I don't know he individually I'm gonna put I'm gonna put it in the vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Just give me a second if you can see. That's how much stuff I have, and I want to clean it up as well. मतलब like सबको जगह पे रखना है. It's in the bag from last I think almost 20 days. मैंने हाथ ही नहीं लगाया and now I'm into cleaning and setting up stuff before the baby arrives. So ये करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So I'm gonna share it with you guys and then sort this thing out. Guys, this thing really quick because बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं and I really don't want a long video. So yeah, the first thing is this really cute piggy bank which my sister got it for me. So they were playing some game and उसमें they won this. They actually got two or three. So एक मुझे दिया है I think and एक घर के लिए रखा है and one. So that's there. I really like it. It is so cute. I'm actually keeping this for the baby. So whatever baby gets, I'm gonna put it in this, give it to the baby later or whatever. But I'm gonna save it up in this one. So अभी तक मैंने कुछ भी नहीं डाला है इसमें. So yeah. Next we have is this bag, and this bag had a gift I think जो अल्तमश के friend ने gift किया है हम लोग को when he was in Singapore. So a lot of people in his office knows that we are expecting, and the person who he met in Singapore gave us gift, and that was there in this bag. But मैंने अभी के लिए इसमें सब chocolates रखा है. I told Altamash to get few chocolates for me because I wanted to enjoy this during pregnancy. So this is one of them. I love chocolates like. So मैंने थोड़े chocolates मंगाए थे. No, ज़्यादा नहीं मंगाया था, एकदम थोड़े मंगाए थे. So all the chocolates is in this bag. Let me just. This is one of my favorite chocolate. जो मुझे actually मैंने अल्तमिश को बोला नहीं था, but he saw it there and he got it for me. So that was all the chocolates that we had. बहुत limited मंगाया. It's only because I wanted to have this during my pregnancy. तो मैंने बोला था लाने को थोड़ी सी. And then we have some शान के मसाले because यहाँ पे we get शान के मसाले, but the ingredients are very different. And this is little better than what we get here. So थोड़े बहुत वो बोला था लाने. So he got just 3 packs of those. So that's all for this bag. इसमें से मैंने चीज़ें निकाल दिया है. Let's go for the other one. Next we have is this Steve Madden का bag. So Singapore is very famous for Charles and Keith. Everyone knows it now, and बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ता है उधर वो. But Steve Madden is also something that you get a really good price. And I don't know why when we went to, like I don't know why Singapore में all the Charles and Keith का stock was the same. So I didn't wanted to buy anything particularly ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था मुझे. So we ended up with a Steve Madden bag. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna open it up completely. So I'll show you guys what the bag is because I think now I've added more bags to my collections. I'm gonna do that video as well later on. But abhi ke liye I'm just gonna show you guys essay. So that's how the bag is, and actually बहुत ज़्यादा spacious है. I'm not going to open it up now. एक तो first it's a light color and I just want to store it well. And whenever I'm going to use it, I'm going to show you guys that time. तो मैं ये bag खोल ही नहीं रही हूँ. Next we have is a wallet from Charles and Keith. मैंने bag नहीं मंगाया but wallet order किया है. So there is this wallet which actually मैंने ऐसा कुछ particularly मेरे लिए नहीं order किया है. Want to gift one wallet to someone. So we have ordered it for that person. But I think मेरे पास एक white में है. So I'm gonna take this one and give that white to that person because I really like this one. And that wallet, that particular wallet is something that I'm not using. So I'm gonna. That is also completely packed. So वो मैं देखकर I might take this one. I'm not. Next we have is something for Altamash. Altamash hardly shops anything for him. मतलब बहुत कम. But this time he did. He ended up taking some footwear from Skechers for him, which is a really good thing. I think he should shop, and I love this one. This is so pretty. He told to get like he was thinking to get one for me, but I felt कि यार it's not the time for me to invest in a footwear is because थोड़े से पैर सूजे हुए हैं मेरे, and the size has also gone up. So after delivery most probably the actual size will be there. Like मेरे पैर का जो actual size है वो हो जाएगा mostly. So I told him not to take anything for me, but I love this one. This is so smart. Really love it when he shops for himself because he hardly does that. I have to force him to ye lo wo lo and all that stuff. But this time it was a need, and he really wanted to invest in a good pair of footwear. So I think he did a great thing, and I'm super happy. Something that I'm super excited is Sephora. So मैंने basically अल्तमश को बोला था मुझे Sephora से थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें चाहिए थी. We knew he will go on this particular date and all that stuff. तो मैंने सब रिसर्च करके रखा था what I want, what shade I want to go for. बहुत particular चीज़ें थी, 3-4 चीज़ें थी. but I did not get all those two three things. Actually, the one that I wanted was not available, the shade. So jo mila mujhe, I told him to take it. So the first one is this mini NARS blush, and this is like a viral product kind of a thing, and I wanted to try, and mujhe mini hi chahiye tha specifically. So that's there. I'll open and show you guys. This is like literally so small and so cute. I just love it so much. I don't know मैं कब use करना start करूँगी, but that's there. Next is something that I am super super excited to try. First ever Dior का product, and I'm super excited to try. Though I have not even opened it up and उसको use नहीं किया है. But look at this, guys. This is so cute. I thought I'll take the lip gloss, but I felt itna amount I'm paying for this particular product, I should take a tint so I can use it on my cheeks and my lips both. That's a clever trick that I did, and I ended up taking this Dior ka lip tint. I am super super excited. I'm not gonna open it up or swatch it for you guys in this video. A separate video I give for this. So yeah, that's my first ever Dior Singapore bag which Altamash got. ये घर के यूज़ के लिए लाया है basically. And what else? Check what else Altamash got. तो वो हम पहले देख लेते हैं. So he actually got two of these bags from Singapore, and ये थोड़ा handy हो जाता है if you are going to market or something. But the most important thing that I wanted was these bags, which is like lifesaver. ये fold हो जाती है. This is so good if you're traveling to market or something. Whenever we go भाजी लेने और कुछ लेने, we take these bags. These are really nice. So I told him to get few extra. थोड़ी expensive है वहाँ पे सिंगापुर में, but it's हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं था टू टेक एनीथिंग फॉर बेबी फ्रॉम सिंगापुर, बिकॉज हमने ऑलमोस्ट शॉपिंग कर लिया एंड वी डिडंट वांटेड टू शॉप अ लॉट. बट जस्ट बिकॉज अल्तमश सॉ दिस क्यूट लिटिल टी शर्ट, so he ended up taking these two t-shirts. It's like it's a little boyish, but we thought I'll just take it, and बच्चा जब थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाएगा, will make the baby wear this at night or something like that, so that he knows to take something from there. So he ended up taking these two t-shirts. Next we have few gifts for baby, which I told you guys Altamash की जो colleague थी उसने दिया है. And first one is this cute little toy. I was kind of figuring it out कि है क्या, and that's how it is. Isn't this so cute? Our baby's first book, and this was gifted from the same person, and this is the first book the baby actually got. We are planning to get some books, but ये पहली book होगी that he got, baby got as a gift. So that's there. This cloth book, so this is basically a book which helps baby understand, and this is like a sensory book kind of a thing. Let me open it up. Again, this is a gift from the same person. So this is like a cloth book, and इसमें you can feel a lot of things, and baby can start. If you can see, there is this noise, few textures which is given in this, and I think there's something else as well. Yeah, so all this thing to help baby understand and feel. So this is a sensory book basically जो बच्चों के लिए आती है. So that's also the first sensory book of my baby. So I'm really happy and thankful for that lady to actually giving gifts which are so 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 good for the baby. Now we have everything that my mom bought from her trip, so I'm just going to share that with you guys quickly. The first thing is this bag that my mom got for me. She ended up taking two bags, so that's first one. I'll show you guys the second one is, and I was the one who selected this bag because उन्होंने video call किया था, and that's when I selected. I think this is something that I'm gonna use later on, but now as I'm going to be a mother, I'm going to need bigger bags. So that's there. One, that's the two bag that she got for me. Yeah, was this footwear. मैंने लोगों को बहुत मना किया था कि मत लो, cause अभी मेरे पैर की size ऐसी है, which is very strange. But luckily ये मुझे exactly और perfectly आई है. This is so comfortable. That is the only reason they picked up, cause Alisha ने भी same लिया है, and she ended up taking one for me as well. Got to show you guys one more thing that Altamash got up that he ended up taking. I was telling him not to take because again size ka issue, but I think I can wear this after my delivery as well. It's quite loose as well, and it's like a shirt, so it's gonna be loose, and so it's not gonna look bad even after. So it's gonna fit really well as it's a shirt. So let's carry on with my mom's stuff. Next thing that we have is like all the small small things that she got, and one of them is this key ring that she bought. This is these few nails, fake nails that she got for me. these are quite good quality, because when my brother went that time also, he got me few nails and they are really really nice. They stick onto your nails for like good 24 hours. So that's really next. We have few accessories that she got for me is this bracelet, handcuff kind of a thing. And then we have a watch. Actually, I only told her to get me a watch, something like that. मैंने उसको reference picture भेजा था. So that's the watch. And then we have cute little pair of earrings. Even this was something that I told her to get because I something like this, like दोनों साथ में pair करके पहनना था, because I have a hole on the top as well. So that's there, and this is a cute little heart earrings. Phone holder. This is something that Altamash actually told them to get it for me, because मैं उस time पे video call पे नहीं थी, and he saw this and he's like, it's gonna be very useful for me to make videos and all that stuff. So that's there. I want to really want to try this out. I'll open it and I'll check once. And we have one more cute thing for the baby, which is this. So Alicia ne वहाँ से actually buy किया. I have a same T-shirt which has the same cartoon character on it, so it's gonna be really cute. So that's for the baby. And they actually got a small little drone for Altamash, which was very very surprising for us, because we told like normally to get something for Altamash like a guy is a little difficult. For girls you have, like for females you have option nails, accessories and all that stuff. So they were confused, and we didn't knew that they are actually getting a drone for him. But Altamash is very happy because he likes all this stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try that. He loves all this stuff. So जब आया था तब Altamash opened it up and he tried it. But for that you have to go out and actually try, जो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. तो अच्छे से जाके उसको उड़ाना है. But that will be done later on, maybe अभी तो time नहीं है. So that's all for all that stuff that they got for me from their trip. And sometimes I just miss going on vacations and trips, because बहुत time हो गया. Last I went Singapore, which is almost I think 9 months 8 months back. And I'm really missing this. So after delivery, I'm so excited to travel. So I'm just waiting for that time. And these people are traveling. So look, जब जा रहे हैं लोग मेरे लिए इतना लेकर आ रहे हैं. And so that I don't miss it. But even though I do miss all that stuff, and I really really want to travel badly, so I'm just waiting for that. That's all for all the stuff that they got from the trip. And I'm really really thankful कि वो लोग ने इतना actually कुछ लेकर आए, because they know I am missing it out and I'm not able to travel. मतलब हमने decide किया था that will go around second trimester, but वो नहीं हो पाया. So yeah, but I'm really really waiting and looking forward for my travel, looking forward so that I can start travel again. So yeah, that's it for the small little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and finally I can sort this out and keep it.